For this collaboration, the handstand Pug channel and Henry Pug and Brothers asked the question of who snores the loudest. To be fair and accurate, both channels downloaded the same app to measure the noise level. I think it's recording Bruno's, not Rooney's. Okay, let's go to Bruno. That was Rooney. Okay, we're getting Rooney. It looks like 61 is his highest. $59 to $60. Let me move Rooney so he stops snoring and we get only Bruno. He's like, why did you wake me up, Mama? Because Mama is a meanie. Mama needs to get Bruno. $52, $53 for Bruno. Well, that's me talking right now. Let's go be quiet for a second and see. Well, this one is like 52, the highest. Yeah, JJ doesn't really snore. I have to stop Bruno from snoring. Bruno, stop for a minute. So we get at least his breathing sound. He stopped, Bruno. Go. Bruno, stop. Yeah, JJ, still young. Most puppies don't snore. It comes when they get a little older, then they snore. Most of the puppies really don't snore. I'm trying to get something, but I don't think he snores really. I have not heard him snoring, so I guess he cannot really participate in this contest because he really doesn't snore. Might later when he's fully grown, he might snore, but not now. JJ hasn't quite mastered the art of snoring yet. So for now, he had to drop out of the contest. He did not snore. The final results for Henry Pug and Brothers are Rooney 61, Bruno 52 to To find out if Bentley and Bean could beat us in this contest, head on over to their channel and the link will be in the description.